Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I link to be linked to down below in the description, and let's get right into the video. So after I'm done pushing her cuticles back, I will be going in with a cuticle ball bit, and I will be using some Melodysusie acrylic powders. Thank you for Melodysusie for sending them over to me, and I can't wait to let you guys know how they are. After I'm done, I will go in and glue her tips on. I'm just using creation tips. You guys have seen them a million times. And then it will be time for the acrylic application. Sorry about the quality of that first clip, but now all I'm doing is removing the shine from her nails, and then we will go in with the tips. If you haven't tried the magnet on the tip cutter trick yet, I highly recommend you try because it just goes so much faster. And of course, the more you use it, the better you get with realizing if every shape is the same, not every shape, but every nail is the same length. So after that, I'm blending in the tip with the same sanding band from earlier. And now for the unboxing, again, thank you to Melodysusie for sending this to me. The monomer smelled really good, actually. So I got this pinky nude color as well as a white. And then this clear is from Natalie Carmona. And this brush is from Bombnails. And the monomer on the bottle says EMA, which is good. And it says it's fast drying. It is pretty fast drying, but it's not the fastest drying monomer in the world. It's pretty medium setting to me. I was working like extra fast because I thought it was going to be like super quick because this is my first time using these acrylics with the monomer, everything like that. If you like more of a moldable consistency, a thicker powder is what I like to call it because it's very moldable, then this might be your zhuzh. And the price is actually pretty good. It says it's a 2-in-1, and I do have a discount code available. And my little sister is the one who picked this design out, by the way. So yes, these dry down pretty quickly. Like after you've molded them and everything like that, they dry down pretty quick. I noticed the pink is a soft powder even when it dries. It's not flimsy to where it's like bendable, but it's just soft. When you hit your drill bit with it, it doesn't crumble. It's just very soft. So you have to be careful when you're filing because like certain powders do the same thing to where they're a very soft filing powder. Like if you've experienced it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I did enjoy working with this consistency once I got used to it. It didn't take too long for me to get used to it, but I've tried so many different consistencies I've been doing nails for 3 years now because I started in 2019 once lockdown started. So yeah, I've tried so many different consistencies, and this one is pretty good. It's pretty much for beginners is what this moldable consistency reminds me of. So if you're in the market for acrylics with that particular consistency, give this one a try. And if you like it, let me know. Or if you have tried this before, let me know what you thought about it down below in the comments, and I will let this French dry. Then I'll go ahead and file it to make it crisp, and then I'll go back in with the white. These powders are $15.99, and I got Pink Dahlia and Glistening Snow. Monomer is also $15.99. Right on the website, it says the drying time is between 3 to 5 minutes. The monomer is also non-yellowing and low odor, and it is indeed low odor. But I also had my window opening, and I also have an air purifier, and I had it set to max, and there was no lingering smell in the air for a very long time. If you've smelled super strong monomers, or if you've had super strong monomers in the past, then you'd know. So like, as I was saying, this is not the fastest setting monomer and powder combo that exists. So yes, if you are a beginner, this may be a powder for you. Like I said, if you've already tried it, let me know if you liked it down below. That's the white all applied. Now here is my brush. As you can see, there is no acrylic stuck in my brush because the acrylic did not stick to the brush. It stuck to itself pretty well. So like when I put it down on the nail, it released from the brush because it was sticking to itself. As you can kind of see when I was dragging it down, it was sticking to itself pretty good. I left my brush in the monomer. In fact, my brush had acrylic in it before I started doing the acrylic application. But by the time I got through to like the second or third nail, my brush was completely clear of acrylic actually. So it's actually pretty good. And yes, as you're going to see what I mean by it's soft when you're filing it. Like the hardness is good, but it's just I think my drill was on 11,000 and I used a Pana 5-in-1 safety drill bit. And as you can see, you see right there how when I did it over the cuticle area, it just took up that powder so quick. So just be careful when you're filing. Do not file too much. I over filed in almost all of her cuticles just because, like I said, it is a very, very, very soft powder when it comes to filing. But actual hardness when you're wearing it is pretty good. She said she likes it, and she's actually still wearing the nails right now. Today is Sunday, and I did these nails on Saturday. So we'll see, and we'll continue to update you. She also has hyperhidrosis, and I did prime and dehydrate like regular. I forgot to say that. So we'll see how this combination does. I use the Mia Secret Dehydrator, and I use the Not Like Lucy Primer. So yes, please ignore my over filing. I was just very heavy handed, but my Frenches actually turned out pretty good. Like with this powder, as you saw by the thumb I just showed y'all, once you get into it, it's very easy to like mold and shape. So when it came to doing the fringes, super easy, super, super, super easy. And they all came out pretty clean actually. And they typically take me forever, but they really didn't. And after this, I will be going ahead and finishing up with the filing and then doing some bling. So I use LGN rubber base for my bling, really, because it's just right there. But she also has a bling gel, which I do have. I just forgot where I put it. And it doesn't cure with a sticky or tacky layer. It just shines like a regular top coat, and it has like a regular thick top coat once it's cured. No sticky layer, no nothing. So I recommend that if you do a ton of bling. But this is the LGN bling box, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I'm going to be linked to down below the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I don't have any top coat footage because my phone died, but I will show you guys some final videos. Thumbs, hands, back, back, back.